Parallelogram. Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 27 quadrilaterals and we are on the third type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. Parallelogram, as the name suggests, parallel means something is related to parallel concept. Okay, so a parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. You can see here these two are opposite sides. AB is opposite to DC, so we say that AB is parallel to DC and also AD is parallel to BC. What does it mean? That opposite pairs are parallel to each other. So you can see here there are one arrow that shows these two lines are parallel. Here there are two arrows. Just to differentiate between this and this, there are two arrows. So here two arrows and here two arrows shows that these two are parallel. One arrow shows these two are parallel to each other. Okay. So what is parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Means AB is parallel to DC and DA is parallel to CB. Okay. Now let's see the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. So if you consider this, opposite sides are equal in length. If AB is 5 cm, DC should be 5 cm. If AD is 3 cm, BC should be 3 cm. What does it mean? That so opposite sides are equal. Means side AD is equal to side BC and side DC is equal to side AB. Alright. Second, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Adjacent angles are supplementary. What are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles means angle A and angle D. What does it mean? Now A and C are opposite, but angle A and angle B are adjacent. Angle A and angle D are adjacent. Means next angle to A is either D or either B, angle D or angle B. Okay, so we say that angle A plus angle D is 180 degree and angle A plus angle B also 180 degree. Also angle C plus angle D 180 degree, angle C plus angle B is also 180 degree. Adjacent means nearby. Okay, now which is nearby to D? Either C or A. So D plus A, angle D plus A is 180 degree, angle D plus angle C is also 180 degree. It's because they are adjacent. Alright. Next is diagonals bisect each other. You can see here what is the diagonals. AC is the diagonal, BD is the diagonal and they bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisection? Bisection means to divide a line segment. Now in this case, to divide line into two equal parts. Okay. So in case of angles, we say angle bisector. Angle bisector, bi means two. We are dividing angles into two equal parts. So if an angle is 60 degree, if we draw a bisector, it will divide that particular angle. See, this is angle bisector. This is 60 degree. So if I draw, this is angle bisector. If I draw it, 60 degree becomes 30 degree and 30 degree. And this is called angle bisector. So in this case, if bisection of line is to be done, it will be this type. Meaning, what is the meaning? If this is 10 centimeter, this will be 5 centimeter, this will be 5 centimeter. Okay. So AC, so these two diagonals bisect each other means these two diagonals divide each other into two equal parts. So now OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Okay, OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. So if DB is 10, what will be OD? OD will be 5. If AC is 20, what will be AO? AO will be 10. Okay, so that means bisection. Now next is rectangle. Rectangle, you know that you have studied in lower classes. What is the thing which you have studied in lower classes? Lower classes you have studied that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal in length. So that is also there. This is a rectangle. AB is equal to DC and also DA is equal to CB. Now since you have grown up, the definition of rectangle has become a rectangle is a quadrilateral in which every angle is 90 degree. In which every angle is 90 degree. Angle A is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree and angle D is 90 degree. Okay. Then let us see quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Why? When quadrilateral ABCD, suppose there is a quadrilateral, we say it's a rectangle. Why it's a rectangle? How it can be a rectangle? Let us see. So each angle is 90 degree. If each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree, obviously it becomes rectangle? No, still not. Why? Square also has 90 degree, each angle 90 degree. So let us see the second point. So each angle is 90 degree is the first point, which shows that it can be a rectangle. It can be a rectangle. Okay, not it is. So opposite sides are equal. This is the point where it clears that it is a rectangle where opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. And third point, opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DC, also AD is parallel to BC. Means each angle is 90 degree, opposite sides are equal in length, also opposite sides are parallel. So these three things gives you hint that we are talking about rectangle. Okay. So rectangle has these properties which you have to remember. Now let us see the next property of rectangle. Diagonals, you know diagonals. You see AC is diagonal and BD or DB or BD. Anyone you can say either. So AC is a diagonal, BD is a diagonal, and main thing, they bisect each other. You know now meaning of bisection, that it gets divided into two equal parts. Okay. So you can see here, same thing I have told you. So these are the sums you can go through on it. Now next is rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal. You can see here, a rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal. Then you will say, Miss, how can it can be a rhombus? All sides are equal means what comes in your mind? It comes that we are talking about square. But no, that's why this complete introduction is being given. Okay. So a rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal, but it's not a square. So you can see here, what does it mean? Same kind of sign shows that these all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Okay. So a quadrilateral with all sides equal is called a rhombus. Means here all the sides are equal. So it's called a rhombus. Second point, a quadrilateral is a rhombus if its diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. See, we are studying types of quadrilaterals. So when it is called a rhombus, when all sides are equal. Second thing, when we draw diagonals, they form 90 degree angle in between. So this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this is right angle, this is 90 degree. Now you'll say what right angle? Right angle means 90 degree only. So this is 90 degree. Okay. Also you can see the diagonals. These two diagonals are equal, means this and this part is equal, this and this part is equal. That doesn't show that this parts are equal. Only this sign shows that only we are talking about this and this part equal, this and this part are equal. A parallelogram with any pair of adjacent sides are equal is rhombus. Now see, again we have come, you will say again from where this parallelogram? So a rhombus can be a quadrilateral, a rhombus again is a quadrilateral, but here in this case a rhombus can be a parallelogram when any pair of adjacent sides are equal, any pair of adjacent side. So here in this shows that these two are equal. If one pair of adjacent sides are equal, we say it becomes a parallelogram, because we know the definition of parallelogram. Okay, so adjacent side, you know adjacent sides means, what are adjacent sides? Which share one common vertex. We have studied adjacent angles, so don't get confused with adjacent angles. So this adjacent sides are equal. Okay.